So in this video we will learn few identities. Okay, now one, imagine a right triangle with the hypotenuse 1. Okay, imagine the length of the hypotenuse is 1, and this is my angle x. Okay, this is the angle which I'm focusing on. Now if that is my angle, if my angle is x, then I want to find what is sine of x. It will be opposite side by hypotenuse, or I don't know what is the opposite side, so I'll write opposite side by hypotenuse, by 1. Hypotenuse is 1, so this is the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse length is 1, so sine of x is opposite side, so the opposite side I can call it sine of x. Okay, then what about cos of x? Cos of x is adjacent side, this side, divided by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is 1. So in this case, in this triangle, hypotenuse is 1. So that means in this triangle, cos x is equal to the adjacent side. So this side is cos of x. Now remember, this is only possible when the hypotenuse is 1. Okay, 1 unit, 1 meter or 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, whatever, 1 unit. Okay. Now you studied Pythagoras theorem. What did the Pythagoras theorem say? The square of this side, that is the square of the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of the squares of these two sides. So applying that, we can say that 1 is equal to sine square plus cos square x. Sine square x plus cos square x. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now this equation is an identity. That is, I already have sent you a video. You have already been sent a video on what is the meaning of an identity, equation, expression, and all these things. So this is an identity. It is valid for a lot many values, and this value, this identity is, this of course is an identity. That means it is here in this case it is valid for all angles, whatever be the angle of x. Okay, so this will be one identity. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide every term by cos square of x. Okay, every term. So divide by cos square of x, divide by cos square of x, divide by cos square of x. Every term I'm dividing by cos square of x. It will not change the value, right? Because I'm dividing every term by the same thing. Now what will be the answer? 1 by cos square of x, that will be sec square of x. 1 by cos is sec, so square of that is sec square of x. Now that is equal to sine square x by cos square x, which is same as sine x by cos is whole square, same thing. So that is tan, sine by cos is tan, so tan square of x. Then we have cos square x by cos square, and that gets cancelled, same thing, so plus 1. And thus, if I'm just rearranging it, I'm putting the 1 in the LHS left hand side. So 1 is equal to sec square x minus tan square x. I'm just rearranging it. Now this is the second identity that you need to study. So you see, you don't have to by heart, just remember the first identity, and I also told you how to find that out. So this is the second identity. Now we need to study one more. So let us bring back our old equation, old identity. 1 is equal to sine square x plus cos square x. Instead of dividing every term by cos square of x, we will divide each and every term by sine square of x this time. So divide every term by sine square of x. 1 by sine square of x, sine square of x by sine square of x, cos square x by sine square of x. Now 1 by sine square of x is 1 by sine is cosec, so it is cosec square of x is equal to sine square x by sine square x. It will get cancelled, so 1 plus cos square by sine square, that is cos by sine, cos x by sine x whole square, same thing. Now cos x by sine x is cot of x, so I will write it as cot x whole square is cot of x whole square, cot square x. Now rearranging the terms again, 1 is equal to cosec square x minus cot square x. I'm just rearranging the terms, and this is your third identity that you need to learn. So these one is equal to, or sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. So these three are the identities that you need to study. So that is so these are the identities, and don't you see, the reason why I have shown you all these things is so that you don't have to just by heart them. So do see how it all works, and if you have a doubt, try it for yourself. Okay, and if you still have a doubt, let me know. Thank you.